how to view your Instagram notification history. So if you want to view your Instagram notification history, then first of all, you can see that on your settings. So you can simply open up your settings on your mobile device and then go for apps and notifications, and then go for the first option, which is notification history, and simply scroll down, and here you will have Instagram, right? Simply tap on that Instagram, and here you will have this notification. So if you have received any notifications from your Instagram, then you will have all of that here. So in that similar way, you can choose Messenger, and here you will have all of the notifications which you have received from Messenger. Or you can go for phone, or you can go for Chrome, anything. You can get all of that notification history. Similarly, if you have received anything from your Instagram, then you can simply tap on Instagram, and here you will have that notification. So for now, I have not received any notifications from Instagram, so I don't have that. I only have a notification which says posting, so I have recently posted a story, so that's it. I only have that notification. But if you have any notifications, then you will have all that here. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.